Astros have no place to stretch.
That one came inside, and they're asking if he swung. Looked to me like Cespedes thought it hit him.
The bat ended up in the grass in front of home plate. In the grass.
Now the Phillies dugout.
That's the pitch we were talking about.
It didn't appear that he swung, and now,
well, the bat went forward.
There was some chirping coming out of the Phillies dugout.
That's a swing. The whole bat went forward. It's got to be a swing.
Now, conversation. First base umpire Will Little telling Pete Mackanin, don't come out here. And he tossed him out of the game because Pete did come out there. So Pete Mackanin has been ejected from this ball game.
Does he know he was ejected?
I'm not sure.
He sure isn't. Screaming too much about it.
Maybe. Yeah. Well, let's see. He's going to pass off the lineup card to Larry Boa. So he'll head underneath after being ejected from the ball game.